Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Manjula Dilse. As you know, we live in Goa and love to explore unique places in India by road. Continuing with our journey of exploring India, this time we decided to explore coastal Karnataka and reached Sirsi. Sirsi is a city and a taluk headquarter in Uttara Kannada district of Karnataka state in India. It was also known as Kalyana Pattana during the Sonda dynasty. It is a tourist destination with evergreen forest and waterfalls and is also a commercial center. Sirsi is linked to neighboring district headquarters of Dharwad, Mangalore, Udupi, Belgaum and Shimoga. The state corporation has a network of buses to all major cities and towns in Karnataka, Maharashtra and Goa. In Sirsi town there is a famous temple known as Manjugani Venkatramana Temple. Manjugani is one of the popular pilgrim centers located in the Uttara Kannada, North Kannada district of Karnataka state. This place is located at a distance of 26 kilometers from Sirsi. Near Devnalli, off Sirsi Yellapur road, amidst thick forest is this beautiful temple stated to be 1100-year-old of unified form of Bhagwan Venkatesh and Prabhu Ram, in addition to Shankh, Chakra, the deity holds bow. Believed to built during Vijayanagar dynasty and further renovated by Mysore king, the complex has also got Devi Padmavati's temple and Navagraha deities. There is beautiful man-made lake named Chakra Tirtha nearby, decorated during Rath Yatra procession. We visited the temple during late evening hours. The serenity and silence overpowered our souls. Amazing experience and very polite people around. The temple here is dedicated to Lord Venkatramana and Goddess Padmavati. Devotees believe that Manjugani is called as Tirupati of Karnataka. The temple is situated in Western Ghat belt, popularly known as Sahyadri Hills. During winter, this place is covered by thick fog, in Kannada, Manju, and hence it is called by the name Manjugani. The temple of Lord Venkatramana is a huge complex built in Vijayanagara style. Manjugani is at 26 kilometers from Sirsi on the way to Kumta. It gets surrounded by thick mist during winter, as such got the name as Manjugani. The localites call it as Tirupati of Karnataka because of the temple of Lord Venkatramana and Goddess Padmavati. The temple is facing the pond, Pushkarani, at its entrance. In ancient days, the religious practices and spiritual principles flourished, as can be seen by the existence of innumerable temples left by them as legacy to their progenies. Thus, temples were storehouse of knowledge and culture. Temples are not only the most important places of worship but also the sacred schools to teach as to how to attain grace of God for our ultimate happiness. Lord of Seven Hills in Andhra Pradesh on Tirupati Thirumal is the most popular shrine, very often more repeatedly visited by his devotees. We see millions of them during Brahmotsava, New Year's Day on all Saturdays, especially during the month of Shravana Saturdays. His consort goddess Padmavati dwells at Tiruchnur, near his abode. After their wedlock, he goes to his in-laws' residence at place called Srinivasa Mangpuram, where we can see his large-size idol. In similar such legendary episode, when he was served with food, he found it was saltless, as such he rejected it and was unhappy. This temple is known as Lord Uppiliyappan Temple, near Thirunagaswaram village of Tanjavur district in Tamil Nadu. In another episode, he goes for hunting along with his consort and others, and by that process, he visits the forest at Sirsi. He settled for rest in Manjugani along with his consort and others. This legend is substantiated by the existence of his temple here, where there is Lord Hayagriva carved on a pillar in Navranga hall of the temple. The special feature of the idol here is that the Lord is holding an arrow and bow as symbols of assurance and protection to the devotees. His consort goddess Padmavati is on right side in the temple. There is vividly carved pictures of Ramayana story commencing from the stage of Ravana begging in disguise to hijack Sita from the hermit and further sequences thereafter. Navranga Hall has several pillars decorated with beautifully carved figures of gods and goddesses that attract the attention of every visitor. The Saint Vadiraja is said to have instructed the architectural work, and at his instance the figure of Lord Hayagriva was carved very aptly and pleasingly with divine look. In this temple, many newly wedded couple perform puja in ceremonious way. God Venkatramana, apart from being the reliever of our difficulties, is also popular as granting the boon for getting good character children to the newlyweds. The temple is found in western Ghats known as Sahyadri Hills. As recorded in Sri Venkatesh Mahatmya book, Sri Tirumalayogi, a saint built this shrine. It is large in size and beautifully constructed in Vijayanagar style of architecture. Manjugani Rathotsava, Theru, is one of the biggest festivals in Uttara Kannada district. Thousands of pilgrims from various parts of India congregate in this temple and offer prayers to divine couple. Manjugani is at 28 kilometers from Sirsi and 35 kilometers from Kumta on Sirsi-Kumta State Highway. Direct buses available from Sirsi. Nearest railhead is Kumta and Hubli, 130 kilometers. Better stay at Sirsi or Kumta. So friends, today you all got to know about Manjugani Venkatramana temple. Friends, how are you finding my videos? Thank you very much for watching and supporting me like this. Do not forget to subscribe my channel to see more travel and knowledge related videos. If you have any suggestions to improve my videos, please tell in the comment box. Thank you all for staying in my channel. See you in the next video with new places and information. Till then, thank you and goodbye.